Want to hear what's happening around your Lorex camera? It's easier than you think. Most Lorex cameras released since 2020 have built-in microphones. To enable live audio, open the Lorex app or Lorex Home app on your smartphone. Select the camera you want to monitor and look for the microphone icon. Tapping this icon will turn the live audio stream on or off. Make sure the camera's microphone is enabled in the device settings within the app. You should see an audio section where you can toggle the microphone on. For those with smart home setups, you can even use voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Just say, "Alexa, turn on audio on my Lorex camera," and you're good to go. Remember, a stable network like wired Ethernet connection is required for the best audio quality. To listen to previously recorded audio, access your recorded footage through the Lorex app. When playing back videos, the audio is typically embedded by default. You can also access recorded footage directly from your NVR interface. If you have a Lorex camera with two-way audio, such as the Lorex 2K indoor camera, you can also use the speaker icon to talk back through the camera. Encountering issues? First, check your network connection. Audio drops are common with weak signals. Lorex recommends updating your camera's firmware to the latest version through the app. This often resolves bugs and improves audio performance. If you're still having trouble, consult the Lorex support website or user manual for your specific camera model.